Hey YouTube, Gear Driven 101 here. Got myself a no-name brand cart from Amazon. Let's see if it's worth it. Is it junk or is it treasure? Let's find out. So here's my little cart that I bought from Amazon. It was kind of a emergency thing. I needed a cart for work. Bought off of Amazon for a little over $200. Came from Canada. As you can see, it's a split top. I've been putting it to use. I've had it for almost 3 months now. It's been pretty good. It's got a tiny bit of play when these are out. There's a little play on the sliding tops. So you can see here, a little play. The drawers are nice. Again, they got a little play, but nothing major. I wouldn't put anything too heavy in them. And they kind of like stick in place so they don't swing out. This one I haven't really used. And inside here, you got a nice amount of space. I would say probably about 6 inches. The dimensions of this cart is, I believe, about 27¾ of an inch by 14½ inches wide. Now, some people might say it's too small. Well, for a toolbox, it's too small, but for a cart, I think it's about the right size. One of the reasons is, if you work on cars for a living, you know what a pain in the butt it is if you can't get your cart between the lifts. And there you go, you can get right between. So you don't have to lift a car up into the air to move your cart and get to something else. It's held up pretty well. The only thing I would change is the screws. They're kind of cheap, so maybe if you really wanted to get some bolts with the same thread on it. Overall, it's held up really well. It's fulfilled its function for what I bought it for. This is more not necessarily a permanent cart for me, but just something to try out. I like the split tops a lot more. It gives you more working room on top. You can put things, and I just think it's a much better design than a flip top. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next time. Thanks and have a great day. If you did like my video, please like and subscribe. I will post a link in my description of the toolbox that I bought. Thank you.